Happy Good Friday, everybody. Um, Couple of quick announcements before you launch into the last day of Term 3. First of all, let's talk about getting your Term 3 grade finished. Um, Please look at campus and anything that you are missing on campus, I'm missing also. So get those things updated. You have until midnight tonight to take any tests that you missed before school closed, to submit any labs, and I should say with the tests and the corresponding homework for that test if you want to turn that in. Any late labs that you have not turned in prior to school closing, those things need to be turned in by midnight tonight, and then I can start submitting your grades for Term 3. The other assignment that will go into Term 3 will be the Chapter 8 test and Chapter 8 homework. So that is open from 9:30 to 3:30 today. Okay, 9:30 to 3:30 today. You have a 2-hour window to take that test. I will open it here in just a few minutes, and you can start when you need to, but you have 2 hours, 120 minutes, and I believe it will stop you after that 120 minutes. So make sure you are efficient with your time and you can concentrate for that 2-hour block. I will not be putting the Chapter 8 test on Respondus Lockdown Browser, just an FYI. The makeup tests are all on Lockdown Browser. Those are not, you can't use any sources or whatever for those because that's only fair because no one else was able to either. So, but Chapter 8 test will not be on Lockdown Browser. Let's see. I'm going to try to send out a email through Schoology to all of those of you who have a missing test, just as a reminder in case you're thinking you have everything made up. But please go to campus and double check with me. But I will try to work here just in a few minutes to send a test email reminder of those of you that have tests to make up. So again, everything, the grade period ends as of midnight tonight, unless I've made a schedule with you to do something over the weekend or something like that, or Monday, which is maybe 1 or 2 people with extenuating circumstances. So check with me. I'm not having office hours today. You can text me on my phone number I put on Tuesday's folder. You can text me or call me or whatever, but there will not be office hours during the day today. All right, so good luck on the test. Happy Easter to everybody, and we'll start up with Term 4 on Monday. Take care. Bye.